Hello, my name's Sofya, and this is my brother Arthur.
Timber Timber!
And we are the children of the curator of Exhibition for Chickens. And this video is going to show you about our favourite artworks, and maybe some of our chickens will have a speech.
Timber Timber!
This is one of my favourite artworks. Just nestled in that tree. It's my favourite because my uncle made it out of one big block of wood.
Wow.
Timber Timber!
This also some of my favourite artworks. It's a plain mud sculptures of different animals. I love how they're made into individual animals with hardly any mistakes, and they actually look like the animals that they are.
Timber Timber!
I like this one because I made it.
Timber Timber!
I like this artwork because my granddad made it. I think it's really funny because he's used chicken stock. I like this one because apparently a cat drew it. I really like this one because it's really funny. Now a speech from our geese. Thank you for letting us tell you about our favourite artworks.
Timber Timber!
Translation in English, goodbye.